यहाँ मैंने पेडागोजी में लेसन प्लान बनाना सीखा। क्यों बनाया जाता है, कैसे बनाया जाता है, पूरी प्रक्रियाओं का विस्तृत जानकारी दी गई, जो हमारे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पे बहुत मददगार होगी। और असेसमेंट क्यों की जाती है, कैसे की जाती है, किसके लिए की जाती है, इन सारी जानकारियों को हमें दिया गया।
After completing this training session, I am able to understand how to plan the lecture and how to deliver the content to the student by making a lesson plan and able to make a competent student by emerging the theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge as well as the personal attitude in the student.
Concept of TMSP, that is technical skill, methodological skill, social skill and personal skill. I got good knowledge about this thing, and I hope when I will be back to our state, I will apply all the things to our institute to motivate the trainees.
At the end of each day in the training program, we have visited different labs. So the lab visit is nice experience. Us and the hostel and accommodation facilities at Word Skill Center is very nice, and after this training my teaching abilities as well as my student learning abilities will be improved. I am thankful to the Bihar government as well as the Odisha government and Word Skill Center's resource person as well as the training person for smoothly conducting this training.
We at WSC Academy strongly feel that empowering trainers is the first step towards empowering youth, and we are proud to have partnered with Bihar Skill Development Mission in this regard. Under this initiative, the trainers from the state of Bihar are undergoing a rigorous training program in WSC, in which we are sharing with them the international best practices in the area of pedagogy as well as effective assessment strategies. We look forward to more such collaborations in the area of skill development and educational excellence.